This smart robot has changed the entire way I clean my floors. Or don't clean my floors. Because the secret to spotless floors isn't motivation, it's automation. And there are 10 things this robot does automatically that will truly and genuinely shock you. And spoiler alert, it's not just a vacuum, as you'll soon realize. Because number 10 on this list, this robot is a high-efficiency self-cleaning mop. That's right, this robot cleans while it self-cleans. It's almost unbelievable. This is the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni, an all-in-one smart robot floor cleaning system. And the best feature on this robot has to be the Osmo Roller Mop 3.0 mopping system. This mop is made of a high-density microfiber roller that's 27 centimeters long and provides freshwater scrubbing. That's right, it constantly cleans with a clean mop, and other robots just push around a dirty mop. And this new mop is 50% longer than previous ECOVAC models. This longer mop means a larger cleaning surface area for even better results with fewer passes. So this robot's more efficient, which saves you time and battery life. And just a heads up, the Osmo Roller Mop is the largest roller mop on the market as of 2026. And we all know bigger is better. But how is this mop actually clean? The Osmo Roller Mop spins at a mind-boggling 200 RPMs with 10 newtons of downward pressure. For context, 10 newtons of downward pressure is equivalent to a standard bag of flour or sugar. This downward pressure ensures clean floors with just one pass. But the proof is in the pudding, so let's see if this little guy can handle a cranberry spill. What about a beer spill? Pretty impressive. It aced the test. But what about baseboards and corners? This robot includes TrueEdge 3.0. This feature utilizes a stepless air cushion roller extension. So when the T90 detects corners or baseboards, using the structured light sensor, the roller then extends 1.5 centimeters beyond the body, gliding tightly along walls, corners, or baseboards. Pretty ingenious. And other robots just can't do this. Remember what I said about self-cleaning? Well, the T90 Roller Mop rinses hundreds of times a minute while it's spinning and mopping at the same time. This mop uses the Fresh Flow power self-washing system with 16 nozzles. This means deeper cleaning without smearing around dirty water. So go ahead and ditch your old-fashioned mop. It's a relic of the past. But it gets better because number 9 is the improved suction power in the Anti-Tangle brush. This robot uses the Blast high airflow suction system with 30,000 pascals to suck up dirt and debris, and that's the highest PA in the robot vacuum world. As you can see, we tested this robot on all shapes and sizes of debris, hair, and dust bunnies. What's truly amazing, it leaves no trace of dirt behind. And that's pretty impressive for a robot vacuum, because most robot vacuums fail to do this. And notice the side spinning brush. It actually spins to push the debris under the robot to suck it up. So the corners of your baseboards are never left dirty. Once again, this means fewer passes to get the same results of lower tier models, which means saving you time and battery life. But if you want double the cleaning because of pets, kids, or large spills, well, go to the app and hit 2 passes. And then the robot cleans in 2 different passes from 2 different angles, ensuring all the debris is gone. But what about hair tangles? Well, not here. The Zero Tangle 4.0 brush design uses airflow guidance to pull hair directly into the suction path, instead of wrapping around the roller, which means no performance drops and no manual detangling. Yuck. And my wife's long hair is no match for this vacuum. Once again, ace the test. By the way, ECOVACS listened to its customers and lowered the vacuum noise by 68%. So I can watch and hear my TV shows while it's vacuuming. Less noise is a winner.
And then for the time being, just to get rid of this trip hazard, I'm just gonna give a little rough cut to the old.
So now you put this all together, and number 8 is the master of both dry and wet spills. That's right, this AI robot vacuums and mops at the same time and does it shockingly well. This AI robot utilizes AI carpet detection to vacuum only on carpets and rugs, and then it'll vacuum and mop on hard surfaces like tile, linoleum, and wood. So the Osmo Roller Mop races up during the carpet cleaning phases, then it lowers it down for cleaning the tile. So you never have damp or soggy carpets, and that's just gross. Remember what I said about automation? Well, number 7 is the T90 Pro Omni station. This station does all the dirty work for you. You see, when the T90 goes back to the station, it empties the dustbin, and then it washes and dries and sanitizes the roller mop. The Omni station uses 75 degrees Celsius hot water and 63 degrees Celsius hot drying to disinfect the roller. This ensures the mop is clean and sanitized every time. Automated cleaning of this robot is so satisfying to watch because nobody wants to do that. And good news, ECOVACS listened to its customers and lowered the auto cleaning noise by 50%. Once again, I can watch TV and hear it while it's doing all the dirty work. But a huge pain point for all robot vacuums is battery life. And that makes number 6 on this list. Because while it does all the cleaning duties at the station, it also gets a quick charge of the batteries at the same time. And ECOVACS calls this power boost charging. The T90 can achieve a 10% quick charge in about 3 minutes, while it empties the dustbin and cleans the mop. This keeps the T90 moving for longer without needing a full charge. This quick charge is referred to as GaN fast charging, and it's brilliant. It's the same technology used to fast charge phones and laptops. So this Omni station is truly hands-free cleaning with no daily maintenance, no odor, and no micromanagement. All right, number 5, and now this is where it gets beautiful. This is where the T90 moves from fun novelty gadget to genuinely taking the weight off my shoulders. Scheduling the robot to clean is the secret to a well-maintained floor. You can set the T90 to clean once a month, once a week, how about once a day, or even once an hour. In that case, you'll have really clean floors. You can pick the day or days and different times and customize room plans. You can tell at what intensity to clean the area, or how fast to clean, or how many passes, 1 or 2, and once you set this up once, that's it. Your floors are completely automated. Remember what I said, the secret to spotless floors isn't motivation, it's automation. Here's my robot in full automation mode. His name is Rocky, because he's tough as nails. And Rocky is scheduled to clean twice a week while we're at work. So when we come home, our floors are spotless. And that takes me to number 4, which might be the best feature on this robot, because the T90 evolves as it cleans. And we're talking about lasers. The T90 uses a spinning laser, an AI VI 3D 4.0, to scan your home with 1mm precision and recognizing hundreds of objects, like shoes, tables, couches, and chairs. This laser is used to map your entire home with amazing accuracy. And check it out. Ours is perfect. And with this map, you can label the rooms whatever you want. And good news, the T90 Pro Omni is slim enough to reach under beds and coffee tables. Unlike the older technology that just bumps around randomly, this laser technology allows it to navigate in straight lines, avoid obstacles like furniture legs, set virtual boundaries and no-go zones, and clean faster even in the dark, making it highly accurate and more effective. You see, this robot will start cleaning the floor like it's learning the lay of the land, like a noob. But after a few runs around your house, it becomes a pro. And it also includes an LED light to reach under beds and dark corners. It also detects floor types so it can adjust its methods of cleaning. So once again, it recognizes carpets, tiles, linoleum, and wood floors. This is a huge benefit of using the AI-VI 3D 4.0 technology. And speaking of cleaning better, number 3 is truly impressive. The T90 uses infrared stain detector technology. Basically, it uses an infrared sensor to identify heavily soiled areas and stubborn stains, and continues to clean until the area is spotless. This feature is a must-have for families with children and pets. Most vacuums or mops will go over the stain once and then never come back. But the T90 Pro Omni acts like a robot with OCD and doesn't leave until it's clean. And yes, even stubborn stains like coffee or wine are no match for the T90. And once again, the T90 passed the test easily. But wait, it even gets better with number 2, is that the T90 uses 2 large wheels and a True Pass 4-wheel drive system that mechanically climb obstacles up to 4 centimeters at the same time. This robot can climb over just about any obstacle or threshold. So every time I see the robot get stuck on something, I want to rescue it. But after 3 or 4 seconds, it just fixes itself and then goes on to the next task. And this means there's no babysitting of this robot. Pretty impressive. This technology is a game changer, especially when you're not home, and it's cleaning a messy house with multiple thresholds. Alright, number 1 on this list is the best feature on this robot, and that's voice control. This feature makes the T90 Pro Omni almost perfect. Voice control using Agent Yiko is all about making cleaning feel effortless. Instead of opening your app and changing rooms and picking settings, you can just say, "Okay, Yiko,
I'm listening.
vacuum the family room."
Okay, the area will be vacuumed now.
And the robot just handles it. The big win here is convenience in real life. Voice control lets you launch a clean, or pick a specific room, or adjust the behavior without stopping what you're doing. And if you're a multitasker or super busy, this is really convenient. And this voice control is also beginner friendly. You simply enable voice control in the ECOVACS app, and then use simple spoken commands. "Okay, Yiko, clean the kitchen."
Deebot is refilling water for the mop now. Okay, I'm going.
This makes managing your floor cleaning so much easier. Remember what I said, the secret to spotless floors isn't motivation, it's automation. And the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni is the automated solution. And it's very affordable too. So what do you think about this robot floor cleaning system? Let us know in the comments. So there you have it, the most jacked house robot you've ever seen. I'm Michael Scott, and I'll see you in the next video.